In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice chat not working in Rainbow Six Siege. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to go to your sound settings, right click on sound and go to sound settings. And here you want to make sure you select your correct speaker that you have connected. Make sure the volume is increased. Also, you want to make sure down here that you have your correct microphone selected. So I'm using the HyperX and I have it selected right here, as you can see. And you should be able, when you speak, to be able to see this line moving, as you can see. And down here, you're gonna make sure that, so down here you're gonna see volume mixer. So click on here, and now here you will be able to see your apps that are currently running and that currently use your speakers and microphones. So if you see your game here, if you see Rainbow Six Siege, make sure that your microphone is visible here. And you can do this by changing the speakers here and the microphone. So make sure the speaker and microphone are all correct. So the input device is basically your microphone and the output is your speaker. And here you want to make sure this is increased. There's volume here. Then back here you're gonna go all the way down and you will see more sound settings. So here, if you go to recordings, you should be able to see your microphone. If you right click and you see disabled, you want to make sure you click enable. So as you can see, mine is already enabled. So if you see the button that says enable, just click enable to enable it. So this is important. And here you'll see your speakers. As you can see, you can also make sure they are enabled. And here, once you can leave, you can just go back here and go to CMD, then right click, run as administrator. And here you will write some commands that could fix your issue. So first command is sfc/scan now, and then press enter. The second command is dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. And once you write this down, you can close this. And the next and the last thing you can try is try to restart your game. Try to completely shut down the game. Make sure it's completely turned off. Make sure Ubisoft is disconnected and everything. And if you go to Task Manager, you can check if the game is still running. If it is, just right click and then end task. So make sure there's no Ubisoft running and the game is also shut down. After that, try to enter the game again and see, and this should fix your issue.